So wind is nothing but the moving air. Suppose many times you saw that leaves are fluttering, the flags are fluttering, all because of the air is moving. Because of air is moving, many times we also confuse that both air and the wind are the same. But according to your NCERT book, what they given like definition like air is the mixture of the gases. Okay, this gases contains oxygen. Okay, air will contain a mixture of gases, like it contains many gases. You know very well. Oxygen, nitrogen, chemistry class you will learn, no? So air is a mixture of gases. And we also learned about what is the wind. So wind is nothing but the moving air. So that is the what the reason. Suppose if you leave air and if you stand outside the air, you can see that your airs are the flying, or else the papers will be rolled around if you put on the air. So all these things we can see that moving air. So because of all things we noted that air is a moving. That moving air what we call it as a wind. So wind is a so nice thing that is so beautiful. The way you can feel outside, you can sit on the outside morning times or evening time. You can see so much of cold breeze and hot breeze also. You can enjoy the wind. But same time if you can enjoy and the same time it has so many destructions also. We can observe so many destructions because of the wind. In case of cyclone and thunderstorm condition, you can see, okay, you can see many times the air oh sorry. You can see that destructive also. Yeah, please note these 2 points. Air, mixture of gases, and wind is the moving air. Yes, ma'am. Voice is breaking. Okay, I'll correct that.